Everybody say it's about that time. Yeah, everybody got to rock with the right. Yes, this loving is blind. Truly, I really know that loving is blind. It's blind, it's blind. Oh, it's blind. How come you don't see anything that happen from behind? If you know it's blind, how come you don't say you don't feel wake up your mind? Everybody say, even in a relationship between a man and a woman, them go just to deceive themselves. Them say them love and another time. You don't wanna get another baby. You don't wanna get another bubble. You don't wanna get another girl. You let make them say happy she get another opportunity. I'm talking from experience. They happen from behind. If you know they're blind, how come you don't say you don't feel your mind? Everybody say it's about
Share. My brother and my sister. There's a good news. I want to come out for our peace today.
Start to live in reality, yeah. It's about looking. Okay, now. Things right, yeah. About the time.
Okay, my brother and my sister. This today, so when it come, a better day for all of us, whatever where we day for the whole world. It get some people, some of our people for the diaspora, where we they try, say may we unite together. So they bring their whole Judah, come inside our unity, our progress. And I use this opportunity to let you know, say, one thing about us, why it be say we know they can't calm down for person when he go help us. When we see and say this person, now person when he go help us, he go carry us go forward. But we go to try make we block that person, make it not be say we want to raise our shoulder up. That kind of thing is not good. Not be waiting we supposed to do. We are the royal family of the Benders, Benderlight. Benderlight not me say na only Benin. Benderlight not me say na only Edo. Na be Benderlight. If not be the bad government we will get, they no say na their power dey for Nigeria. They share us into one state. They give the rest many states. Only the Bender people can be one state, can be Edo state. come make am many states. Meanwhile, the council bend them. So from there, now where we supposed to the reason where we for comot and where our mistake dey. May we dey join things together. This is our time. No time again. Who say time dey? No time. Now time will be say we will take unite ourselves. Wake up. Now be that one. And another one day, I use this opportunity now to introduce this platform. Great Edo United Movement people. We stand operation to feed your people. Operation to help your people. Operation to unite your people. Not operation to kill your people. Not operation to eat wetin dey your bra pocket. No. May we learn how to share love with each other. They hear each other opinion. With those things, we will go forward. We will come back to Bende where we dey again. That Bende light will come back again. And nobody go fit destroy if we dey unite as one people, very strong people. We don't already do things down. Our forefather, they don't fight this fight down. Now inside, now Bavora may pass. He pass and you know your pass and say, now your death, now he there. Now kidnap, now Igbo people come kidnap him. That we call it kidnap. Because why not be your death be that one? He sacrificed his own soul for us, for we to live as the better people. This is not the time we be saying now, we go know ourselves. We will unite whatever way we do for the whole world. May we dey bring idea together. I want to survive our land. And one thing about this surviving of a thing, revolution, where people they talk here and there. Revolution where you do by violence, now go lead gun, call class, to kill, share blood. No. The other revolution will be say you will do with experience, intelligent, barrel and paper, without no sharing blood. Now that one I call revolution. Now we go use fit track our government down. If our government not dey work, we go fit make am dey work this time. Because if we unite, we dey speak one word, one voice, one people power, we go fit. At the time this one they talk go one side, this one they talk go one side, some go come out, they insult Benin people, they insult Edo people not good, Isha not good, Urobo not good, who come good? Those will not be the way to make revolution. A revolution stands for many things. It stands for peace. It stands for justice. It stands for life, to give people life. A whole thing come to a new thing is revolution. Now say me I use this opportunity to let all my people who did the diaspora in the world, may they understand what to be revolution. So that me will know where I want to kill rat, where they say pot, we will not fit kill and kill the pot. So now made this group come out. Now let this group, now they the whole world. Edo United Movement, it not complete two. Any other one will not see, na fake. It not dey. Now let this one. I use this opportunity to tell them and say, we get power for the world. The world know us. They know our history. Then they wait for us. May we raise our history come out. So that waiting we be, may they know how they respect us for who we be. Not be to they come out for social media. They insult our kingdom. They insult our palace. Those where they do those things, more and stop this nonsense. That one not take una go anywhere. You are not helping people. You are destroying people like that by insulting the land where you came from, where they use the sand to take bath you. Is the secret of the life. Now they talk so. How will we take come unite? Now for we to the hear each other one. If you see your fellow brother, if they raise what he be say you not fit do, try come down to am, make it teach you. If you don't want to teach you, the time when you come down, you go know something about what they try to do. Then you, with your own experience, you go out to join her. You are equal to the level. That is life. And those things stand for the revolution. That is the best life for we to live. As great Edo people, great Edo Kingdom, great Edo United movement. Let's stand for this movement. This is our time. Ishao, Binio, Esako, Ijo, Urobo, Shekirio, Afemao, and so. We all will be one. Now, true what I tell you. And with this idea, so, if una reason for una mind, una will not say road dey there, we will go follow. And without united, we no fit do anything. We no go get voice for that Nigeria. Why you go be say our Oba comot, go meet Fulani for where he call it, he say India Aso Rock, where he no build. He no know how they take build Aso Rock self. For your time when you first come, president come rule Nigeria, begin kiki people. He no do anything for Nigeria. Our Oba comot go meet and say he want support for our state called Edo Kingdom. How much this thing go contain? They share the whole idea together, do one like this, do one the other one. Oh, the man still carry your money come out. That was our Oba so. Still a federal government not talk about that thing come out again. We not get better person for power. To enter politics, not be to go keep person. Not be everybody like say making just the politics. But if the root of the politics they go where, you see, I say politics not be for one person, now for everybody. Politics where they Nigeria not be justice policy, now injustice politics. Injustice. So now what we go know? We go know how we want to carry on this movement. Now beg I use this opportunity come to beg una. I beg more join out together. More come as one. More na share this video, give people and no say they una contact. May they come together with us. May they join our movement. This movement not be for one person. There's only one hand, not fit carry lies for head. As I put on, so only one hand, not fit carry on. Now when you put on 2, 3, you know say you fit carry on. Now so life talk. And now so we suppose to live as the great Edo people. As the great Edo Bendelite. This na time we be say we no need to sleep. We need to say something about our land. We need to do something in our land when you go favor our children generation. Not be to the build house, you build store, you build business for yourself. Good. Think about business where be say yes. Like 10, 15 people go to work under you. That is the most thing where they bring development come any state, any community. Not be to go dig borehole. No, that one na to give people water. But if una unite, una fit do 10 borehole if na water una wan give. But first, may work dey. May we create job for ourselves. Without job, human being cannot live. Now be the way I use this opportunity, come to let una know so. And there's many ideas where we come together, we share together as one love. From there we go understand wetin we, the Edo people, the great royal family of Beden Light, wetin we be. Now when we dey speak, we see Yoruba man or we see Hausa man, we will come know the differentiate between a Beden and with all those people. You understand? Because why Benden, it started from Edo, go reach Delta Igbo, you know. So now be waiting we go know. Okay, see now, Yoruba people now they drive Igbo for Lagos. That Lagos, you know, if you look the history, it not belong to Yoruba people. It not belong to Igbo. It not belong to Hausa. Na Edo, na ife go name that land Ekonu Wame. Because say we jam fight where it affect us between Ovora Metain before we can recover ourselves. Now this time, so it take us so many years, 1,000 years, 100 years, I mean, to recover ourselves. You know? So, may we dey try to listen to each other. May we try to join hand together for wetin we see say our brother do wey go favor us. May we raise am up. So that we fit get power today against anyone wey wan come evil against our opinion, our community, our land, our success, our blessing. Because with those things, now our children wey dey come, generation, go enjoy. We all with the run come diaspora. Why we not reason how those people will go look their history? How they take on like this? They suffer like the way we suffer. So now those hungry and poverty and so where they be, where they dey into that year. Now make they come they go the thief for Africa, thief for Jericho, thief for this one. Because why? To survive their land. If you watch those people, then they also come their land. They try to make community, they get what they call social. Where they develop each community. So all those things, now be waiting we suppose the reason about every time and every day. And I use this opportunity to tell you and know say this great Edo United movement. I beg all of you now. May we come together as one. May we join us. May we raise our land. Our land is a blessed land. It is the most blessed land inside Nigeria, inside state of Nigeria. It is the most blessed land. It is the most richest religion in Nigeria. Whatever anything we want to do, not be by violence, not be by problem, but by wisdom, we'll fit conquer the land. We'll fit do it with government. Now, why they treat us like that? There's no group where come out, they speak with government. They protest, they do this. The one where they'll go create of our homage, where they say that they feed people where you not get home, you not get this. Okay, fine. Oh, see join. But this movement is stand, we go feed it. Talk to government, we go feed the sue government to court. Say, why not do this road? Why not put light for here? Can we live with darkness? No. So those are the ideas where we supposed to join hands together wey we go dey do. And an opportunity now take let una know say there's nothing with plan well and gain well. Better life dey with us. We dey do those things because of our children, great grandchildren wey dey come. Because we no wan make dem come meet this nonsense wey we use our eye take see. Now make us now dey join together with this movement so that we for fit carry on our plans, our dreams, make it not lost. Make una no forget say na we be the first people for that Nigeria. May I come again? Make una no forget say na we be the first people for that Nigeria wey the whole world know. Now the true word be that one. If we dey slack, you get wetin they call slack. You know what I'm saying? So when it be like when pikin hear say they beat the papa or they slap the papa, then if they go meet that person say, I hear say they say you slap my papa. Tell me truth whether you slap my papa. Tell me truth. You know say that son is a useless son. He's a bastard son. He's not a son to even supposed to set your eyes on. You understand? Well, no reason I say, providing what we dey do, now what go bring joy to our king. What go bring joy to our land. Our king is already support those things. No need to dey kill each other again. No need to dey fight each other again. No need to dey do anything when e not suppose again. Now the opportunity when I get so, now I come to give this message. And as far as this movement dey on now, una go to see this news coming out from a great Edo United movement every time, every day. We need to make sense from inside sense. Things we will not say not good. We don't need to put our hands. Things we know that he cannot give us the land joy. We don't need to put our hands. With the reason I say our boys, may I call our boys, our brothers in Nigeria. Now so that they fight, so they be secret court, now so they this one. Because why? They no get help. One, they no get survivor. Either if mama go manage, go find, go take me gari, where they go eat. Tell me that kind of song will grow for those kind of. You know, remember say Tupac sing one music say, a tree that grow from a concrete is different from a tree that grow from the soil. More than feel word. More we reason ourselves. May we learn how to do something when you go create a job for our land. We are population in this Europe, this diaspora. We are the most population people. We can do more better. We will change our land to the best land in the world. Because why we don't do the land? It's just for we to unite and make one idea to survive. Now it just matter for we. Not just to daybreak, just only think about your home. Now so you go think about your home, they survive your children good. But also think about your fellow man. How we go fit be say that our land? I don't get money now for this diaspora when I did now. I'll go Nigeria and one small boy no just come corner me. Can't put back up for my head, say, oh, but drop that thing. You understand me? Let's plan those things. We go fit do them. We go fit make way out when there's no way. We can make things okay when it's not okay. This is a very nice message to us. We have to take as power. We have power in the world. Not to believe on any man is to believe ourselves. Not to believe on any politician is to believe our community. Those are the secrets about life. Those are the secrets to make a way and success. And they do one thing, especially we, the Edo people. I use this opportunity to beg you now. Not be only we, the diaspora. Now only we, as you say, they insult ourselves for Facebook, for social media. Why those things they happen? Why we not fit think they think better thing for life when you go help us, help our generation. What do you do well today? Now you go your pikin go see tomorrow. We go tell no say my papa try o. You go dey proud to am. Now who believe say we be Edo with the benefit from federal government? Make it come and make it tell me. We know they benefit nothing. Go see Kostre, go see Temboga. The river herself don't even they turn to moat. We be say not be river again, don't they turn to moat. You understand? Our land don't they turn roti. Small time go turn to it will turn to a desert land. I pray may those things not happen for my time. So we get time to do those things. We get time to plan things together. To come as one people. To the show love. Not to talk love for mouth. I love her and I'm my guy now. You don't say I love her and I'm my brother now. And then waiting day your mind. Not be you the talk come out. Those things as evil. When we withdraw our hand from evil. Anything we concern evil, not put your hand. You know carry you go anywhere for life. Never. It go only make you they get more problem. Problem to problem. Problem to problem. But at the time, you put your hand there for good things. One day, when the blessing come, it not go finish. So, more we try to help our brothers. More try to do things where you go be say, go make our land the fortune. We go feel make our government they work. If the government, as they don't blind now, they know the see road. We go fit. Now we will do diaspora here. Now we go fit still do am. Now opportunity, world, glory, joy, peace. Now the news, now be this. Just to make a way out of life. Not to say your brother or your sister, if they progress, the plan or the dream when you get, he just tell you. Then at the same time you hear that dream, you just follow it back. Boom! Just try to go fast forward. Just be saying that you they can't hear his name. No. At the time, when you join hands together with them, you say that thing they want to create, you can't survive other people. You can't survive another generation. You can't even survive another children will be say they never born self. You say those Oyibo children where they never born with this side belly, they go to pay them. Because how they don't learn and reach, how they don't build their life and their way rich. I beg, my brother, brother and sister, may we join out together. First, this movement, it's time for say, we're going to invest to save our land, to make sure work there our land. This movement stand be say, we go dey tackle government based on the document of the way we take guide this movement. We go feed the talk to them. We go feed the shoot them to court. There is power inside this movement. There is power and joy inside this movement. Not just only focus, I want to build a house, I want to buy a motor, I want to live big boy life, and at the end, motor de keke, motor get where motor go stay rich now. If you no renew it not stay forever. But I know many companies where be say if you don't build them, you don't dey there, people don't dey work in the function, it can never die. People go dey work there, they go dey work. These people go, another people will come. The resources don't dey there, not go change. You know me say you not get sense. You know me say you not dey into your right. No. It's just for you to have joy, say your land is good. It's just to have joy that your land is blessed. Let be all those things stand for. May we learn how to do things home when you go to survive our people. Just from this time when I taught this word now, just if we join out together, I only give only 3 years, you will see the changes of our youth in Nigeria, in Edo State, go change. Because why? Who no work? The time of work where everybody supposed to go work, e get where go reach. Who no go work? How you want to survive? Who no get wetin dey give an income? How you want to survive? Now to your smoke igbo till evening, and at the end you see one politician you to say, "Come take this 200 naira. I beg kill that person for me." You no go even reach and do for 200 naira self. 200 naira small. So say I'll buy you beer now. You know my guy now. I'll buy you beer. What is those life for? It's a wasted life. It's a wasted time. We need to rise up from our sleep. We need to stand up for our feet and take this battle and do this revolution with diplomat and good idea. Not before we to share our blood. That is not the way, and it can never be the best way. You know? So they say na better thing. Now they bring better thing come. Now bad thing, now they burn bad thing. You understand? So it's time for us to know our position for that Nigeria. If they say may we be one Nigeria, we still remain. If they say may we share that, we will not say our land. We don't already plan now. Now be waiting that they talk about. We don't hate anybody for that Nigeria. The main people where the patient pass for that Nigeria now the Edo people. Now that patient pass. Because why? I see them with my eyes and I know. Now we patient pass. You see so now time we be say we will think those things. Put for hand. You go there are more things we they do for hand when you go lead us to success. So that our women, when you see they come this diaspora, call they do work we not supposed. Would all things go to change. Then our brothers, when you see they come here, come they like okay, just see like Italy now and so other country like that. The way our people they beg before they survive. The things that come inside there are some blood. You know. That one now condemn our people they go like that. That is not life. That is not life. To go and beg your fellow man, whether black or white, before you go eat for life. Now so God take credit this life? No. Now because of what we not do well. This will not be to wait for government again. No time. This will not be time to wait for government. This is not time we be say we need to join hands together and do something for our land. So that we will get mad against government. You understand? This revolution, I don't want more do like Brafa people. Because why? They all be say the mistake don't already come. We be say that they don't already share many people blood. Many soul, Biafra people soul don't die for this matter. We don't need our own like that. Our own diplomat will take one. At least where you carry government go court 2-3 times. And the word does say the court will not the carry government go now the right one they talk. If war they come that time, it not go affect anybody. If the war they come that time, it not go affect anybody. Now the same people will be say we not believe say go help us, like go help us because why we stand for our right. So an opportunity for us to know the best of our time to do. This is our time, my brother and my sister. There are still more ideas they come. We be say una go hear about. Because I also I use this opportunity just see come explain this feeling to my brother and my sister. May we learn how to get one love, not be to talk am for mouth. Make it taste our mind and soul. May we not dig against our brother and sister again. May we not insult ourselves for Facebook or social media. So that anyone when they do harm, we go quick correct them. If you not hear correction, there's a way we be say we will fit a block them. You know, say me, I tell you one idea, There are some people who be say, honoring one message where you send them for messenger. He go report you to Facebook. They go block you. You know, no? So those kind of idea, now that they use for life, now not be fight, not be insult that they do to anybody. Now true what I tell you, and I know it be computer. In a sense, so I beg my people. I love all of you now. That's why I want make una love me with una heart. And make una join this movement so that maybe we share idea together. Now, a place where we say we feel they share idea, they share love, they share how we take make peace for our land, how we take make success for our children, especially our children, our generation coming, so that they go see better things jam for life. This message now for everybody in the whole world. At first, you don't be from Edo Kingdom. This message, now you go for. May we change. May we learn things from this Europe where we come so. May we get better time for ourselves. Nobody will not dey busy. Nobody will not do something where be say you know they give her. Nobody. There must be a man where they Europe here will not get what go they give her money. You know they. Government must prepare you and raise you to your own level where be say yes you go to get your own side good. Now those ideas now we need for our land to go fight government, not be to go carry class. Carry gun, no. There's a way you kill a rat. You know, if you kill a key pot, you will bring the rat come out for inside the pot. Now be the best way for us to do. First, now for we to unite. May we unite together as one people. May we dey join parties where we know say yes, it will survive us. Who get interest say yes, waiting at the talk so, and this movement, make it go into my Facebook. I put the WhatsApp number there, the group. You go see am. We go see what we dey talk there, and I buy life. Not be to come they donate for one person to come go enter power. No, we not do that one. Now how to make plans. If at all we want donate, we will not say we want donate for something wey be say go favor you, favor everybody wey dey inside the platform. Then you go see favor those wey no see dey the platform, because where we get brothers, sisters for home when you go work for us. So believe say anything wey you do for yourself, you do it for person. Anything wey you do for person, you do it for yourself. Because why we be one brother. So now I can use opportunity to tell us say we all will be bending light. That light don't already shine before. Now only me they try me they off that light, but they not go fit. Because why anything God has said is done forever. You understand? Now opportunity for us to come like this, one people, one peace, one word, one power. Why we no go fit kick gun any government when they can't they do any of our land? Why we no go fit? Reason waiting I talk so. We go fit. So we too much for this Europe where we say we no fit do anything for our land. We too many now. We many well. We get population for Europe. So brother, may we carry this news. They tell people. Now be the first work of United. Carry this news, they tell people. Say, see, this is not what we supposed to do for our land. Now then you see some of our people now be say government they collect picking for their hand for year. Because they don't go speak for them. They don't go cry meet embassy say, see, they don't collect picking for one of our person. What did they happen? And our embassy, they are here for us to speak for us. Nobody they do those things. Now nobody they respect us for the west side. They know who we are, but we not present who we are to the world. Now make different things happen to us. You know how many of our people that they kill for Italy? Especially our women, our sisters, where they kill for Italy, through their hustling. You know? So, why we not fit stand for our rights this time? Why we not fit stand to grab our kingdom back? Why we not fit? We go fit. There is power in us to do more better, to achieve more things for our children, generation where they come. This only one hand cannot wash itself, make it clean. But when you put this one together, you wash them. So it go clean very well. Now it be life. Now it be waiting we go know. Now it be waiting we go to walk towards. May we make sure say our land they okay. Because why? We don't know where Nigeria they go tomorrow. Everybody they drag the land now. They drag the land. Which one we the bended light? Which one we dey? We the bended light. Which one we dey? Waiting we want to do for our children generation. Now for we to the wait the government. We not shit well on our government. We not peace well on our government. Our government concern. Where we not fit plan? Are we not human be like government? If we plan well, we strong as one people. When population like this Oshomole will be like mocking. And those people don't get a strong person like that there now. What did they do for our land? Nothing. 0/100. 0/100 now Oshomole. They do. He's doing nonsense, but he never know follow. Now he be now. But he say in the power. Like people like us, if we grow now, we unite ourselves. If Oshomole they come back for office, you see I say like 200 people dey in office they protest. In the same year come back in home. You see I say like almost about 2,000 or 500 people dey there. You tell me say you go get mad again. Now you go the run, the call federal government say those people more than answer waiting they want to. Those are the way to destroy those people. Because we don't see and say they're not too strong into power. We be say they go feed the fight people, do different things, you understand, to us. We need, maybe we defeat cry, give government. They go to hear us. Not be by violence. So now be this news when it come out today. May we grab them as something for our memory. May we do something, eh? They say now something. Now they bring something come. Nothing just they carry they happen. Without you not plan and well. So now the good news, now be that one. And two, I use this opportunity to introduce this movement again. The Great Edo United Movement. Benden Light. Is for the whole Benden. Benden don't stand for all Edo State. Benden are all over the whole land around Edo State. Urobo, Ijo, Esako, Ahunchi, Ishao, Ishalando, you know, also kind local government when they around Edo land. And some part of the Delta State. Those are Benden. So may we try join hands together. May we know where our power go come from. Without you not start something, nothing go work well for us. Every 12 miles, you must start by one. They climb and they go. They climb and they go. You go get down clear. But at the time you dey slack, say, you know, concern me. Me, I don't dey enjoy here. Oh. My brother, your family dey inside. Your mama dey inside. Also is a soul. Goat na goat. Human being na human being. Now be waiting I use and mean oh. No reason I say you don't dey enjoy now, you go send your family. You know what they face there. If they say me they talk am. People when they stay inside darkness, they know they think well. How many people go fit avoid fuel? If I thought say you will buy the gen for us, how many people will fit avoid fuel? They buy for like, let's say every 3 days or every 2 days, depends how you take the user. How many people? People will not even see food eat for mat. You know, because no job. See the Okada. The time Okada see the rain. When they tell they do business, they do the other one. If you just say more people, those are killing of a thing, you know, just see come popular like this. This way they stop that one, the thing, the problem start again. It be like when you put fuel. For small fire, when you say don't the ground, you just put fuel. You go make boom. Now be this problem what they face so. Without we not quench that fire. Nothing, no. Nothing. And it's not good for us. Say we will dey diaspora here, we dey go back home, we go dey fear. Or we not go carry body guys, or we not carry boys around body. We not feel live a human being. Is that those are not life? Now the fact, now they talk so. Now what we suppose know as human, when we do something as human. If we get like, let's say this, me and you put on assuming, like this movement now when it start now. Let's say like 2,000 people don't dey inside. Tell me where 2,000 people that they plan one thing together. Tell me where they no fit repair. That 2,000 people, so even though they no pay to join again, they go fit repair that Edo State. It go be like London. We go fit. Now plan and thinking. Plan together and think together. We can make the best. See, as European dey now, the state when I dey now, they get their own soap, Gizi. Now they produce and they write Gizi put. Frankfurt, they get their own. They write Frankfurt soap, shampoo. Now so it's supposed to be. We go plan something when it be say yes, it go they exist. Not to wait for government. As far as our government, they don't come on for line. We go first put them, made them they work. If they don't want to work, we know how we take the tackle them. With our plan, we must see one person who will say, see what more use this idea. If we use this idea, may we see if this government go here. When we don't try, we'll get their key to the hammer them. Now plan. Not be say those ideas not there. We will use, but we see no more people opinion because one person cannot do a law. Now the best word now be this one, and the best way for we to follow. May we love ourselves. May we unite as one people. May we get time for ourselves. Not be to go visit person for us. No, not be saying that one you have time for person. No. Communication day. My brother, this thing we planned yesterday now. Okay, now I want to do now. Okay, now let's just call a meeting. More reason I will do the road. They will you sit also. Those are the kind of way where they go forward. Una go reason then una go tackle how una go do. Those are the kind of way where they bring people unite. When people they see as soon as they progress, they go join una. Una go straight them. Not be say because some way see they come to come spoil, to come destroy. Now for you, we to the straight them. Anyone we no one here, we will not say that he remove himself for inside the community. Not be we remove them. Those are the way to make life and success. Make a better life and better future. Make your land good. Fight for your land. Fight for your generation coming. Fight for future. Those are revolution. My coming out to come make this video. Now for me to call it this message. To talk about this movement. To make things come possible. Now make me come out, do this live video. So may everybody get time for me and say, we all will be one people. One love, my people. One unity, one word. So now say me I can't use this opportunity to let una know for today. Una thank you, my brother and my sister, for una to listen to me. Our ancestors will bless una forever and ever. Una no go ever lack. Where the plans una physically get for ourselves to carry on this glory, una no go lost time. It's once again, I beg, join this movement. This our movement. Now wetin go help us, we did diaspora, to unite ourselves, to make something good for our land, to take our kingdom back, to fight for our land. Now this movement stand for. My brother and my sister, our ancestors be with you now. More than not forget the name of the great Edo United Movement. Now only in one. Anyone wanna see again, especially when I not see media, or I not see the kind of speech where they come and so, my brother and my sister, more than not put on a hand. Make una not put on a hand. that one not be Edo United movement, not be him. Now the Edo United movement, now it be this. So I agree to now. Our ancestors be with you now. One love for everybody. And may we get joy. Say the our king does support us. Say every good things wey we get for heart, wey we wan do, may we dey do am. Say proverb will not bring shame come for am. So more use opportunity to hear this music. I agree to now. One love for the house.
blind. How come you don't see what they happen for behind? If you know they blind, how come you don't say you don't feel it up your mind? Everybody say it's a back. Yeah, everybody got to roll with the right. Yes. This loving is blind. Truly, I really know that loving is blind. It's blind, it's blind, it's blind. How come you don't see what they happen for behind? If you know they blind, how come you don't see I don't feel it up? Thank you very much.